Hello, Seasonal Vantage Insiders, Alex over here. So today it is the start of July already. So it's the 1st of July 2024. As I'm doing this video, the time now is about 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon. So one good news first, okay, my Facebook, okay, is back, okay, which means that I'm that MarketWise Asia Facebook page is back, okay. I'm able to do the live stream again. So tonight, the live stream will be back on both Facebook and also on YouTube at 10:30 p.m. So for the general market updates, right? Okay, do go and watch my live stream. Okay, every Monday at 10:30 p.m. Okay, and also want to welcome those who just joined Seasonal Vantage Insiders. We are into a new quarter, July, August, and September as well. Okay, so for those who are new to the Seasonal Vantage Insiders, right? Welcome. Okay, so I think Lynette also asked, right? Okay, how to get the data for the third quarter. Okay, very simple. Okay, you can just head over to seasonalvantage.com. Okay, for those who actually just joined, right, you should receive for the first email. Okay, after you join, go and check your email from alex@marketwiseasia.com. Okay, there's all the sign page, what you need to do, in case we need to reset a password and all this stuff, right? The training video, all these are inside the first email. Okay, do go and check. And to log in, seasonalvantage.com, all right, just go to the members login. Okay, I've already logged in already, so I won't be asked to key in my email and password. Okay, so for those who just joined, right, you should receive the ebook, okay, for the traders blueprint. Okay, for the rest, okay, you can get the report from July to September over here. Just click on this report section. Okay, the bullish stocks and ETF, it is there as well. So all is now in the Excel spreadsheet. And also I mentioned previously, I also provide you the bearish data as well. So like what previously, like what John mentioned, right? You want to hedge his portfolio or whatsoever. So there are many reasons. Okay, for example, you might not agree with me that the market is going to come down. You think that the market is very bearish now. You want to look for opportunity to go short. I mean that different people have different views on the market. Okay, so I also provide you the bearish data. So it is entirely up to you how you want to use the data. Later I'll go through that also. But the main one will be the bullish stocks and the bullish ETF. It is all for download over here. Okay, and then for those who are new over there, back to the dashboard. Okay, this is where you get the SV members area where I update everything over there, weekly video updates, and also some of the masterclass video. Okay, the webinar used to be webinar over there, is all over here. And most likely, okay, I will do another webinar, okay, be it for new members and for current existing members, right? Most likely maybe after this coming week now. Okay, I'll plan a day because this weekend is the Market Insights Virtual Summit, so I'll be a little bit busy. So after this weekend, I'll be more available. Then I'll plan the webinar for you guys for the latest updates. Okay, all right, and yeah, and then the also want to give you additional bonus over there. So what I call the okay, the OHPC stocks. Abbreviation, it is the 100% stocks. Okay, instead of just typing 100, I just put OHPC. Okay, sounds more code-like name. So this is the data that I will be providing you. Okay, this is the new data. So every month I provide this new data. So I'm always trying to find so-called ways to help you shortlist your watch list shorter and better as well. Okay, so these are the 100% stock OHPC, which means that, okay, at least for the past 10 years, okay, all 100% historical win rate, which means that, for example, this is the 100% stocks for July. Okay, so which means Adobe, okay, from 1st July to 18th July for the past 11 years. Okay, 100% it went up during this period. Okay, so all the stock listed here are 100%. Minimum, it is 10 years. So can say 11 years, 16 years, 10 years minimum. So you can see that July, typically it is a bullish month for the stock market overall. So I really listed down, okay, this is the top S&P 500 and NASDAQ, okay. So this is for the top S&P 500. Okay, just assume that it is the S&P 500. NASDAQ 100, I might or might not include because I need to sort out some of the data as well. So just assume that this is the S&P 500. Okay, so these are the top S&P 500. Okay, so you can see that the short list has already greatly shortened already. Of course, based on the date, all right, 1st July until the end of July for this month. And I also do provide you the bearish data for July as well. This is for the stocks, also 100%. But of course, you see that 100%, right? July is typically a very bullish month, so very few stocks are 100% bearish in July. So again, you might or might not want to use this. I might not use this also. So this is just additional data, for your reference. Okay, so you can use it whatever you want to, and I also provide the ETF 100% data as well, and also the bearish ETF data as well. So if you're watching this video, you are able to download this spreadsheet or this data sheet, okay, in this post. Okay, so in this post, okay, you will find the attached spreadsheet. I repeat, okay, in this post, at the bottom of the post, you'll be able to find the attached spreadsheet. So go and download. Okay, let me know what you think about these OHPC stocks over there. Okay, so essentially it is to help you zoom down to the so-called the bigger stocks, the S&P 500. Okay, the smaller stock you want to disregard whatever it is, up to you. Okay, so this is the ISV updates and also the members area update and the OHPC, and also let you know that the Market Insights Virtual Summit, okay, it is only one day, this coming Saturday on the 6th of July 2024, okay. So just have to register for this event. Again, it is totally free. Please register, okay, and do support our sponsor, okay, our sponsor. Again, if you can't watch it live, okay, never mind, okay, we will send you the replay to watch it, okay. So all the speakers here, Jay Toon, Colin Sell, Royston, Beanie, and the keynote speaker, Adrian Wee, okay, they'll so-called provide, okay, market outlook for the second half of the year. All the speakers have different content, okay, so do register for this event, even if you're watching this on a so-called a replay basis, okay. And also, of course, if you register now, you can also participate in our lucky draw as well, okay. So that's the update for you guys right now. So let's head over to the market right now. Okay, so new month, 1st July is a new month. So we do have a new central pivot range over there. So this is the S&P 500 index. So we can see over there, the last month, the central pivot range is over here. Okay, on this lighter green line, it is actually the developing central pivot range. Okay, because okay, the SPX cash index only opens tonight, 1st of July. Okay, so it hasn't shown yet, but this is the CPR, the central pivot range for this month. Okay, this is the CPR for this month. You can see that price is still above the central pivot range. Okay, so overall, the market, it is still in an uptrend, but the market breadth actually is still not good. Okay, it is actually deteriorating, but nevertheless, okay, just based on what I see in the market right now, the market, it is still in a uptrend. Okay, so the so-called the zero gamma level to watch is actually about 5445 as denoted here. 5445. Okay, from it is a regime where above 5445 is the positive gamma. Okay, below 5445 is the negative gamma. Okay, for those who are new to SV, okay, never mind. Okay, it basically means that if price is below 5445, right, we might see more selling and more volatility ahead. So if price can stay above 5445, right, then that'll be good. And of course, a key level to watch, it will be this CPR level, the pivot point level at about 5405, okay, or there about 5,400. So to keep things simple, okay, 5,400 is somewhere near the pivot point area. All right, so this is the key level to watch as well. And also just to let you know from a broader base perspective, okay, you can see that this is the S&P 500, okay, S&P 500, okay. So I'll keep this thing over there, okay. Okay, maybe I just remove that, okay. So can you see over there? So this is S&P 500, okay. We are actually making new high. On last Friday, price actually hit the new high on intraday basis. Okay, but of course, at the end of the day, price did not hold and fell back towards the lower range over there. But you overall can see that price has been making new highs. This is for the S&P 500, but you can see for the RSP, this is the equal weight S&P 500. You can see that the market weighted S&P is making new highs. Right? The S&P RSP equal weight, okay, it is not making new high. Okay, it is forming a divergence. It's coming down. So which means you can see that, okay, as a rule of thumb, okay, the bigger cap are holding up the index, while the rest of the S&P 500, the smaller cap one, maybe maybe those 100 and above, okay, in ranking, okay, maybe 250, the 500 stock in S&P 500, they are not doing so well, okay, not doing so well. But nevertheless, right, okay, you can see that I add in the developing central pivot range. This is the developing central pivot range for right now. So you can see that this month, it is almost the same as last month. This is, you can see, a very, very thin line over there. So this is the developing central pivot range. So right now for RSP, okay, we are still hovering at the CPR when the market opens tonight. Okay. So overall, market is still in option, but breadth is deteriorating. You can see that the Nasdaq, okay, Nasdaq, this is the Nasdaq, it is NQ, okay, futures over there. Market is also almost making a new high, but the QQQEW, the equal weight, okay, it is not making a new high. So it's like, it's still pretty flat over there. So overall, the market breadth, it is still not that good, okay. But nevertheless, just want to give you guys an update, right? In July, okay, this period onwards, this period, July, okay, based on historical data, based on seasonal, okay, July is one of the best month, okay, of the whole year, one of the best month, second best month if not mistaken, okay, of the whole year over there. So at this moment in time, okay, even though the market breadth is deteriorating, I still won't be looking for a short for now. So still looking for opportunity to go long over here. Okay, so this is my personal view over there. And let's head back to I mentioned last week, right? Okay, last week, okay, overall last week the trades are not doing so well. Okay, XRT, okay, I'm still holding because last week, as I mentioned, right, underneath the surface, many of the stocks are not doing so well over there. Okay, so XRT, I'm still holding, but in some in slight underwater right now, XRT. Okay, for the rest of the stocks, okay, I also do enter. Actually, the bigger stocks are doing pretty well. So I enter NVIDIA and Apple. Okay, NVIDIA and Apple. So they are, so some slight profit and some I think, I don't know which one is also one of them is underwater a little bit. But overall, you can see that it is break even. Let me check. I don't have my handphone with me right now. I think it's outside. Never mind. Okay, since I doing this video already. Okay, so NVIDIA, Apple. Okay, it is. I'm holding this. Take two I entered, so I got stop out. Okay, take two I entered. Okay, I got stop out, so can't be helped. Okay, the market is not doing so well underneath the surface last week. TTWO. Can see that take two. Okay, I actually entered. I entered somewhere over there. Okay, and then price came back down again. So once again, okay, yeah, see the pin bar has proven me correct again. So at itchy finger, I mean, not to me, I don't really want to enter, but I just give it a try. Can see that the pin bar once again acting as a bearish signal when there's something that's so obvious. Go in, after come back down again. So yeah, it actually hit my stop loss. Okay, so I really exited. Okay, of course it depending on where you put your stop. So I put the 1.25 ATR. Okay, when I enter somewhere, it's around here. Okay, I think it's around here already when I first entered. Okay, yeah, some on Monday. So there was some a big range. If you put my stop loss at the swing low over there, so I did not. So it's 1.25 ATR. I think it's somewhere around here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So I got stop out eventually. So a recap. Okay, recap. I'm still holding on to NVIDIA and Apple. Okay, NVIDIA and Apple I'm still holding, but Friday is not doing so well. Okay, so this is the current update for last week position over there. So for this coming week, right? So let me see my data over there. So this is the data, okay, that I am providing. So 100% stocks, okay, you can actually look through the bullish data. So the usual data is over there, okay, minimum at least 90% winning percentage. So you can see that for January, okay, there's many stocks, many stocks. You can see that overall total there are 189 stocks, okay. But I already filtered for this coming week, 1st to the 7th of July. So 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 5th, okay, filter already, okay. And then for the ETF, I also filtered already. So let's go through the ETF first. I can see that even for the ETF, many are so-called the indexes okay, like sectors You can see a lot basically a lot growth, consumer bonds. All these are all the sectors ETF and industry ETF. So which means it tells us that generally, okay, July is typically a strong month, based on historical data. So a lot of things so too many already. So basically all are the same thing. Index, sectors, industry, also index, okay, which means the bigger cap company, based on historical data, they are going higher okay. But nevertheless, okay, I've filtered out some stocks as well. So the stocks that I am looking out for this coming week, okay, let me go through. It is, first of all, it is eBay. It is something that I'm looking out. Okay, eBay. Okay, this is eBay. Overall, it is doing, after a very downtrend. Okay, after that going up and heading up higher again. So again, this is the reason why I'm having these lines over there is the developing central range, because today it is a new month, so there'll be a new central pivot range. So this is the one that how tonight it will show the CPR. It will show like this over there. So these are the developing central pivot range. Okay. So you can see for the data for eBay, let's search for eBay over there. So for eBay, okay, 1st of July until 15th of July, for the past 11 years, 10 years, it went higher. So this is for eBay over here. For eBay, you can see that on Thursday there's actually so called on Friday there's a wash and rinse. On Thursday there's the wash line over there. The wash line where price closed below the prior day low. So the prior day low, it is actually 53.32. 53.32 over there. Okay, this is the wash line on Friday. Price close above the wash line, and if tonight price can open, okay, at similar value at last Friday close, then we'll be still above the central pivot range okay. So there's a signal. Let's see whether this coming week, okay, eBay can continue to drive higher. So this is for eBay. It's the one that I'm looking at. Okay. Another one that I'm looking at, it is actually Gartner over there. So Gartner, let's head over to the data. Okay, Gartner is over there. Okay, Gartner. Okay, from the 1st of July until 22nd of July. So for the past 12 years, okay, 11 years, it went higher. This is under technology. Okay, under IT services. So this is for Gartner. So you can see that price, it previously was below the cloud and CPR, and then last month price hit above the CPR and resisted by the cloud over there. But okay, can see the developing central pivot range. This is for this coming month. Tonight the CPR will be showing like that. So it is still overall above the CPR level. Okay, and you can see that our price actually had a wash and rinse pattern on Friday. So this on Wednesday is where price closed below than the prior day low. So on Tuesday, the prior day low, it is actually 447.27. 447.27. Okay, so on Friday, price closed above the wash line. So let's see whether this coming week, okay, price can so-called go higher for IT, okay, Gartner, okay, Gartner Incorporation there. So this is the one that I'm looking at. Another one that I'm looking at, it is actually CTSH, okay, Cognizant Technology, CTSH Cognizant Technology. Okay, so for the data over there, CTSH Cognizant, okay, Cognizant, it is from 5th July to 26th of July, okay. For the past 11 years, it went up 10 years, okay, up 10 years. If I'm not mistaken, Cognizant, CTSH, is also under the OHPC data 100%, yeah, okay, yeah. So you can see that there'll be some overlap of the data over there. So very pretty similar, 5th July to 24th of July, but this is for 11 years, okay, 100% of the time, okay, for the past 11 years, 100%, 11 years, it went up during this period. So CTSH is something I'm looking at, okay. So this is CTSH, you can see that, okay, overall, price, it is actually, coming down, but, okay, last month price is above the CPR, and this month, okay, you can see that the CPR is over here as well. So in fact, not yesterday, as in Friday, there is also a wash and rinse pattern over there. On Thursday, price closed lower than the prior day low. So the prior day low is actually 67.89. 67.89. Okay. Yeah, and on Friday, price stay above the wash lines. Okay, so let's see whether this coming week, okay, price can stay above this wash line. This is Cognizant Technology, okay, CTSH. Last but not least, the other one that I'm looking at is actually the bigger bank. This is the Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley. Okay, a very good run. Okay, and then on Friday, there's also a wash and rinse pattern based on the CPR. If price can stay above like what was doing on Friday, then this coming month price will be at least above the CPR. So you can see that this green dotted line over there. Okay, so price closed lower than the prior day low. The prior day low was actually 96.08. Okay, 96.08 over there. All right, so yesterday on Friday, price closed higher than the wash line. So let's see whether this coming week price for Morgan Stanley can close higher and hit higher. So these are the four that I'm watching out for. Let's see, is it under the OHPC stocks? Yeah, Morgan Stanley also. Okay, Morgan Stanley, pretty similar, 10 July to 25th July for the past 11 years. Okay, it went up 100% of the time. So these are the few things that I'm looking out. But again, don't be too greedy and enter so many stocks. Okay? I think depending on, for most of you, I think one or two entries should be good enough. Okay, let's see how the market will perform this way, because the market is still deteriorating. The market breadth. Okay, there's any point in time the market can still go down. But for me, okay, I will still follow the trend until it really tells me that it is breaking. Okay, then I will go for a short. But as of now, I still won't be going for a short right now. But of course, okay, if you want to really go for a short, okay, to hedge your position, or you really think that the market is coming down, okay, no worries. Okay, you can always go to the bearish data stocks over there. So the bearish data stocks still, okay, for July, this is a bearish data stock for July. Not a lot. I think not a lot, because overall July is typically a very strong month. So these are the stocks that you want to browse through. I won't be browsing through them. So yeah, in any case, if you find any good bearish stocks to sell short or whatever, do let us know in the comments. Okay, as I mentioned already, okay, one person I cannot focus on everything on all the stocks. So even in the bullish stocks, okay, you find any stocks that is so-called you think that is that you think that it is good, should be keep in your watch list, do share with me in the comments. I really want to make it more of a community effort instead of me, okay, just trying to find out all the stocks over there. Okay, yeah, if any stock, let me know. I can take a look as well. Then I can give some input and my opinion as well. Okay, do share with me if you find any stocks in the stocks, be it the usual database or in the 100% stocks. Okay, I think with that, okay, that's all for now. So once again, tonight I will see you guys again at the usual live stream on Facebook and also on YouTube. Thank you and bye bye.